storm. We don't want to hear say a man send the storm go down there because them want build city. We don't want to hear L.A. Lewis come tell us shit, send a storm now come. We don't want to hear it. We are tired of it. And that's all I'm saying. Anybody who can agree with me on this, you are not really Jamaican. You are not a true Jamaican. You are not. And that is the problem. We need to cut out the green and the orange out of our heart. She did that for the people. Because she know the strength of the Jamaicans. She know that we are resilient and we will fight. And that is why she did that. And that is why she's a national hero. So me I beg each and every one of we to be a national hero today for Jamaica. Drop the politics. Done with the politics for a minute, me I beg you now. We not give the Jamaican people a space to breathe. Give the Jamaican people let us at least absorb what happened down in Westmoreland and Western Jamaica. We not absorb it yet because I still a cry. Me not believe it because I still a cry. Some people is still going through a grieving moment in Jamaica. People in the western part of Jamaica is grieving. They are in desperation right now. They are grieving. Some people lost everything. Most of them lost everything. And some people has lost loved ones and life. And you people up on TikTok talk about politics? Who not have to start blasting on? Come tired of uno. People in Jamaica is still grieving. They have lost loved ones. They are still seeking for loved ones. Some people don't know where their father and sister, their kids are. Barry G used to say, do you know where your kids are tonight? A lot of people do not know where their family is. They are separated and in desperation, seeking food and life and water. And only have time for TikTok on class, politics and government. What's wrong with you now? But you can't do that because you sit on a big stinking ass. Wherever on there. Side. And don't choose PMP and Labour right. Choose Jamaica. We all need to choose a side. And it is not a PMP and it's not a Labour right. It is choose Jamaica. Which part of that we can't understand? That is it, you know. While we use it during the election period, election is over. And it is still a good word to be used. Choose Jamaica. And unfortunately, election was September 3rd and the Jamaica people choose a government. Let's move on. Let's move on. And he is the government until the next. But politics. I've watched video where woman cries and she don't have no clothes on her back. You think the woman care if she did vote for Andrew Owen and she vote for Mark Golin? She don't care. She just want to know that she's going to get help. It is embarrassing, Dr. Ren. It is embarrassing. On national platform, we're doing it too. I mean, we look like crabs in a barrel. We look like a nation of just stupid people. And we are not that. We're not that. You're on national TV. I tell Fox News, say, Andrew, if you can clean out the mud out of your house. Say, Andrew, put mud in your house, lady. You're on national TV. I tell Fox News, say, look for my house. Now, look, I'm picking them dirty. I remember when I was a little girl living in Portland, I used to like dirt. I used to walla in the dirt. And you on a national platform as Fox News, I tell Fox, say, look for your house. Andrew, if you can clean out your dirt out of your house. While you have roof over your head, you know. Your roof didn't blow off and your windows were still attached. But mud came in your house with water. And you're telling Fox News, say Andrew always need for go and clean out the mud out of your house. Look for your house. Me ask you a question. You never have the old push boom like we used to use back in? Yeah, Fox News. Out of order. You never have the old push boom to push out the goddamn mud out of your house. Eh? You don't think government for feed, clothes, and want to breed a government breeding them for mind the picnic park program? What wrong with you know? And Fox News, you tell Fox News, say, look pan the body of my house. How are the government there? Huh? Andrew Owens, me need help. Me have money in my house. I'm sorry. Andrew can't help everybody. Not the day after Melissa. And you is not one that needed help. You never need no help. There are going to be programs and relief that will be active activated to help the people who were affected. When those things are activated, you can sign up for the benefit to come. But a day after Melissa lady and you have mud in your house, your roof not blow off, your window not blow out, you still have your door and you have mud in your house, what wrong with you take up the shovel to go push out the mud? Your kids them like mud, them playing in the mud too. Why you think you is in more desperation than the people in the western part of Jamaica? Why should you be priority than the people in the western part of Jamaica that has no roof, no water, no food, no light, no diaper, no sanitary napkin, no toilet paper, nothing, no hope? Cause them know how they're going to come out of them situation tonight. But you still have a house. Your roof never blow off and your window still up on your house. Be it upon national TV, Fox News. Uno is Jamaica's destruction. We is our own destruction. Upon Fox News. Fox, not even saying, you know, come here, Fox News, you know. Fox News. I run off your mouth. Eh? The ungratefulness. What do you want government for do? What do you want Anja for do? Jesus Christ, man, it's a disgrace. I'm tired of what you see. I'm tired of we. Everybody, some people you're gonna have to help yourself until when relief has reached to you. And that would be activated for every Jamaican who was affected by this, Melissa. The other day, a disaster, rainfall in New York for 4 hours. And the train station, people house, people car was flooded. You're sitting in them on Fox News, I tell Fox, say, the governor of New York need to go and give them back their house. Did you see any of them on Fox News talking shit about the storm? Did you see that? Guess what them do? Them know what to do. Because the state of New York had an emergency and they are going to get relief. All they have to do is go online and fill out the application, their home address, which date happened, what happened, explain what was damaged, and they will get assistance. They will get assistance. They have to wait. But we Jamaican, we don't know what's wrong with we think that politics our life. We think that politics means everything. The government for do everything. The government is everything. You come like when you not have sex and nothing about the government. When the man I go on the tune and say, boy, if him breed me, you know, the government have got to take care of the baby. Jersey also. I know I was in Jersey. You come like when you not have sex and nothing, say if the man breed, you know, the government have got to take care of the baby. I don't know, when I get married, I probably say, boy, me get married to this man and in there, the government have got to take care. Everything is government. The fuck? Me tell that one man and I forgo a man. Me no make it up this man and put on no makeup, cause me mad, angry and just miserable. Me tired of them, man. It's a disgrace how we behave. 3 days after a major hurricane, a category 5 Melissa, devastated and destroyed Jamaica, and we are not united. We are not united. We are planting seed of division amongst the people, and the people that needs the most help in the most vulnerable area. You, the PNP, is sending out a message that no hope and no help is coming. Wanna cut it out now, me I beg you no. Thank you, sis. Thank you, baby. The people are looking for help. Hope. Hope is everything. Hope. And you, the people on TikTok, are telling the people so the government now work, the government a thief, no help now come. So why are we doing that? Even in a time when a person don't know whether or not they're gonna get help. But hope is always good. Thank you, baby. Give the people hope. Jesus, me done. Me tired. Me ball enough today. Me tired. Guys, before me go, me a beg you now. If you can do anything for Jamaica, if you're in the US, Golden Cross, all of Golden Cross, when you buy something there, you can donate $5, $2. You have a lot of places in New York that you can donate. If you don't trust those places, you can go to supportjamaica.gov JM. Supportjamaica.gov JM. and support Jamaica that way. If you can send a barrel, if you can send food, clothes, sanitary napkins, support Jamaica that way. If you have time and you can go down to Jamaica and put boots on the ground and help, you can support Jamaica that way. Anyhow, you can support Jamaica, guys. If you have a house in Jamaica and you know a family who needs a shelter temporary, you can support that way. If you even have a house and family living in there and you know a mother with a child that needs help at this moment, you can also offer assistance, support that way. Anyhow you can support. Anyhow, I'm asking for your support. Please, let's all come together as one Jamaica, strong Jamaica, and unite around building back Jamaica. Because no matter what, while America and the rest of the country are giving us donations, we the people have to build back our country. It is our country. It is not theirs. So we have to unite around building back Jamaica. Please, I'm begging you, support jamaica.gov.jm. Okay? Please. Continue to support Jamaica, guys. Jamaica, there's no place in the world like Jamaica. This will only slow us down. But we are a country that has never stopped, and never give up. Remember, we went through Hurricane Gilbert, we went through Finsack, we went through the 70s. The worst time in Jamaica history is the 70s and the 80s with the crime and violence and the most murderous election. We went through worse than this. But we are a country that we always fight. We are resilient. We are fighting people. So I'm begging you to please continue to support each other, love on each other, and most of all, pray for Jamaica. Pray for the government and pray for Andrew Holness. Because Andrew Holness, I believe, is Moses. He must be Moses. Come, I never see one man, I forget one government in a power have so much something reach him. Boy, me I tell you, Jesus, please pray for the government, pray for Andrew, pray for us all. All right? Thank you, guys. Love you. If you're not follow me, or not follow me, click the button and